Hi, Bill Brooks. Got some ideas for you to lower your tax bill. Uh, One of the most standard would be accelerating deductions in 2015. You could prepay any income tax, that is to the state, or really any other business deductions. Could be big purchases at year end, a vehicle, perhaps computer, etc. You can defer income into next year if you're in a higher tax bracket this year and a lower tax bracket next year. Certainly a 401k would help you with that as well. AMT, if you're subject to AMT, you might consider accelerating income into 2015 because the highest AMT tax rate is 28%. Also, you might consider, if you're trying to lower your AMT tax, postponing some AMT adjustments like all the various taxes, medical expenses, or tax preference items like incentive stock options. If you have capital gains already, why not harvest some capital losses? On the other hand, if you're in a lower tax bracket and you have long-term capital gains, why not just benefit from the lower cap gain rates for long-term capital gains? 0% is in the lower tax brackets, 15% of course, up to $400,000. Qualified dividends, you might consider investing in securities with them in that they enjoy the same long-term capital gain rate benefits, 0, 15% tax rates. You could consider donating appreciated property to a charity up to 50% of your adjusted gross income. Cap gain property up to 30% of your adjusted gross income to a public charity. Now, if you have cap gain property with a loss, you should probably sell it. Have you considered converting IRA money to a Roth? Well, if you're in a lower tax bracket for this year, you might consider doing that to utilize the full lower tax rates and enjoy the benefit of Roth money going tax deferred and eventually tax-free distributions from your Roth. How about securing any dependency exemptions? Remember, keep in mind the 50% support test. How about gifting income producing property to family members? Remember, though, the kiddie tax, you will be taxed up at your rate, of course, on the child's unearned income over $2,100 in 2015. Consider tax-exempt municipal securities to lower your tax bill. How about bunching medical expenses all in 1 year? This could be the year for you. How about education tax credits? You're probably familiar with them, but they are very valuable. Make sure you get the tuition statements from your student's school. How about if you've got passive losses, consider buying passive income generators to offset those passive losses. And the last on my list would be RMD distributions, required minimum distributions. Make sure you take them so that you're not subject to the 50% penalty. Give me a call, 303-447-1626, with any of these ideas or anything else. Thank you. Have a great day.